Casey. This is Wingnuts RC. I am here today to open these two boxes with you. One is a 1/10 scale and the other one is a 1/24 scale. But before I get to that, I want to talk about my weekend with my lemur. So I hear that these aren't very popular, which is ridiculous, because if you haven't seen the video that Scott Wingnut uploaded, my car flipped I don't know how many times throughout the entire day when we were at the City Island Walk, and there is literally no scratches on it at all. None. There's a little tiny scratch on the bumper. That's it. The paint job's great. Everything's great. Tires aren't even dirty. Everything's intact. We had a really good time over the weekend. It was a little chilly, but it was okay. There was a lot of people there and a lot of kids, so it was fun.
How did it hold up?
How did it hold up? I mean, it didn't. It's still here. It still works. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Even when you rolled it down that wall?
Even when I just talked about that. Yes. Even when I rolled it down the wall, many times. That wasn't the only time. Onto the train tracks. But I would totally recommend this for anyone that's skeptical. Don't be, because this is extremely durable, and what I rolled off of was pretty steep. So I don't know, this is one of my favorites. This one, and then this Atlas I also love. So these two are my favorites. This one I just think looks so mean, and I just love it. It's heavy. I like when there was lights on it, Wingnut. It looks really cool with lights underneath.
I'll put them back on.
The LED lights, yeah, they're cool.
I just didn't want the kids destroying them.
Yeah, they definitely would have broke. But yeah, those two are my favorite. So, like I said, anyone who's skeptical, don't be, and I would highly recommend this. There'll be more videos with me driving it now that I'm not super shy to be on Scott's page. Okay, so the first one is the 1/24 scale. I believe it's a BLAZER. Yes.
Guess you'll have to open it.
I guess so. You're right. Are you scared? Jesus, why is it cut?
Hawking it.
No, it's cut here. Look, you see it? It's cut.
Oh, that's weird.
I know. Look.
Huh.
All right. Which one was that?
That was the lemur telling you that it wants to play.
That it wants to play. Is it going to have a mind of its own if I turn it off? Yes. Is it going to have a mind of its own if I turn it off? No, it won't?
I don't think so.
Okay. You can edit some of this, correct?
Mm-hmm.
The K5 BLAZER. Oh, I love it. So, like, this one over the weekend held up pretty well. The youngest child that was there was 2. The oldest was 9. So just imagine all the ones in between, what they're doing to these cars. I didn't really know how it was going to turn out because when I got there, I seen all these kids and I'm like, oh no, what did I do? You know, and I just hoped that these cars would last, and they did. This one, unfortunately, did lose a smokestack. And what was the other one? Something else happened?
I lost a bumper on the K10.
You found something. You went back for something. Was it that? The
yeah, that was a smokestack.
Yeah,
went back
and you found it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Made a second lap around the island.
Yeah, it was cool. Everybody was looking at the cars. It was funny because all these kids are they're running around with these cars, and everyone is kind of like, what the heck? What's really awesome is that they were outside, even though it wasn't summertime, it wasn't springtime. They were outside getting fresh air and running around and not on tablets and phones. I like it. Ooh, I like it. Is that supposed to be like that?
Yep.
Yeah. Cool. I love it. What's all this stuff? Spare stuff? Is it
That's
spare parts?
tool kit. There's a light kit, a roll bar.
Where do you put these,
Should be some stickers in there for the
I don't
license
know where to
plates.
put these. Cool. What?
So when can we go run it?
I mean, we can now, if you'd like, but it's kind of cold outside. I would do it. We can do it.
No, which one are you opening?
The 110 scale. This one is a Toyota. This one.
Jeez, you ruined the surprise.
Well, I didn't say the color or the make and model, you know, whatever. I can never open these. Is it that color? It's not. Oh, I was all excited. Tricked me. Ugh. What? Scott.
What?
Why? It reminds me of a Scout. Honestly, the 110 RS. Adventure at your fingertips. I put it down. I almost got your finger. Babe,
What?
help. Pull it. I just didn't want to drop it. I love these. They're so cool. All right. So. Okay, so we had to get a new one of these because during our adventure over the weekend, a bumper broke, right?
Fender.
Fender. And what else broke off? Was it the mirror? Was that one?
No, that one was a fender, and there was another small issue with it. But it was completely user error.
I'm horrible at this. Wow. Hey,
What?
why in the hell? You better be cutting this out, I swear to God.
Nope, I'm leaving.
Oh, you have to now. Oh, God. You better not, I swear. You better show it to me before you post it. I give up.
Do you need my assistance?
Yes, I do. You just let me
Okay, here, take the camera.
leave me hanging. Okay, so what did you do to the other one? You should grab that. So this is cool because it actually was pretty durable. I was surprised because it is a bigger one. There's seats in here. There is the top comes off. What else does it do, honey? There's something else inside.
Oh, the door's open.
The door's open. Maybe.
Oh, they might be taped shut.
Anyway, the door's open. This comes off. This comes off. These seats actually
Yep.
fold down.
The doors are stuck shut.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool.
The back opens
very realistic, and I love that.
And
Like
hood
I said,
opens.
this reminds me of a Scout. I know my dad had one, so it reminds me of being a kid.
The Toyota guys are gonna hate you for that.
Oh my gosh! Oh no! Don't hate me, Toyota guys. All right.
And this is what we're doing with the one that got broken. As you can see, it might be a little bit dark on the camera there. I'll try to move in so it's in the light. But basically, one of the kids hit this fender really hard, and it got destroyed. And my thought was to do a fender chop on it. I haven't seen any out there on YouTube or on the internet or anything yet. So I think it's the first one. If not, comment and let me know if there's another one out there. But we're going to go ahead and do that to the other side. I'm going to open these wheel wells up, and I might do half doors on it and tilt the windshield back a little bit. I think it'll, yeah, I think it'll look real cool when I'm done. But anyway, I'll let you get back to the video.
So that was me opening these two new arrivals. The replacement, and then I cannot wait to run that Blazer. I'm going to run it either tonight in the living room or on the track that we have in the attic or tomorrow. This was my first YouTube video ever, so I was kind of nervous. So just so you can make me feel a little better, why don't you comment and subscribe to Scott's page, Wingnut, excuse me, and let us know how I did, and if you guys want to see me again. So thank you, and have a good night.
Also, another channel that I'd like to throw a shout out to is Crazy Crawlers NZ. It's a buddy of mine out of New Zealand. He has some awesome content on the FMS products as well. And he's also doing a lot of stuff with the FMS Go. So check his channel out. He has some great footage on there. And New Zealand has a beautiful landscape. So there's a lot of cool stuff on there from him. So check that out.
Oh, McCree, thank you so much. You're awesome.